Alright, so we're kind of on like the freeway entrance. It's closed right now for some reason, which means I'm gonna do a little trick. Elise is filming. I might set this on a little tripod right here. All I gotta do is pull out my tripod. Shout out to Augury Pack. Just real quick, twist that tripod down. Okay, it's fun riding on some closed down freeway type stuff. But yeah, make sure you keep your distance from fools right now. Don't cough on them or nothing. So I'm at a cool little spot down here. I'm putting the tripod on. And at least gonna film this part. I'm gonna do a little skid right here. Kind of a nice day. Hasn't been a nice day for a while, so we're doing some tricks and some videos. New bike. Pretty crowded here on the bike lane. Got a little trick right here. Trying to wipe this tire down a little bit, get it more flat for skidding on. Can bust my fat skids. Shout out to Elise for filming. Alright, so we're right here at this new spot, and I'm gonna just wait for the traffic. And I'm gonna do a little skid up on that bank up there. Just left a little spot. We're down here on the waterfront. It's a nice day. Gonna ride up this way home. Just kind of crossing across bike lane over here. A little bit more room to breathe. There's a lot of people here at the Burnside Plaza. Waterfront. I see some fixies. Cruising, it's a good day. I got a new bike. Alright, doing a little bit of a costly maneuver here. cutting across all the lanes, no problem. Sup, pimp? Can't really afford to eat no Euro right now. Might make me sick. And not in the coronavirus way. You gotta get acclimated to the taco carts and street food around here, because if you don't have the strongest stomach, it's gonna fucking wreck you the first couple times you eat it. Classic skate spot right here, turning off at the waterfront. Just gonna kind of crush through the neighborhoods a little bit, I think. We got like a little more to go. I need some water. I need a smoothie. Alright, whatever you do, don't come flying down this street. Turn off into those fucking rocks on accident, because you'll crash and it'll hurt really bad. You'll probably lose your U-lock and get some scrapes on your elbow. That sucks. We're gonna go left here. Cool if the other people use the turn signal, or maybe just like committed to driving correctly. We're on bikes, so we don't get the luxury. I'm gonna hit this jump right here. Woo! That was nice. It's a cool little zone down here. We're in the alleyway by Burnside Skate Park. It's straight ahead up there. That bum couple had kind of sick aesthetic. He had like a fucking cart that was like black on the sides. The plastic was looking sick. Had some stickers on there. RX skull. Clear! We're running these stop signs because it's kind of a quiet neighborhood right now. Quiet time of day. Lots of good graffiti to be checking out. Good day to be riding with your homies. Getting it. Just 2 homies though, maybe 3 total people. Pick your best homie and go ride. That's probably the best idea. Wash your hands before and after riding. But yeah, just if you can't work on your bike. If you can't work on your bike, go ride. And if you can't ride, go to get really high. Shout out to Dabs. We're gonna get so blazed. Drinking Dabinol. Whoa, it's windy. Holy shit. We got new bikes, I'm gonna celebrate. Fucking sick. Bike check coming soon. Might film that later today, might film it tomorrow, I don't know. It's Sunday. Kinda doing some fun things. Watch out for this truck right here. We're gonna pull up to the skate park right here. We're inside skate park. Here we go. Legendary. Might want to cover up your mouth around here though, because it's kind of piss flavored. See you guys next time.